Don't laugh at me. I'm a rookie. You see? Well, hey guys, we just touched down in my hometown, Atlanta.
It's sideways, babe.
What do you mean?
There you go, now it's straight.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm hungry as hell, so we about to go get some food.
This airport is huge.
Yeah. What time's our flight coming? 2:43, and right now it's what, 12:30. So we got 2 more hours. But I'm drained. I'm running on 2 hours of sleep. I slept at 3 a.m. She proud of me right now. That's a proud girlfriend.
We reppin' the Prey Apparel.
Feel me?
Check her out. ThePreyApparel.com. She has everything from hats, sweaters, pins, all types of streetwear. She has it, and it's pretty dope. We went to school with Prey, and she's doing her thing right now. So check her out. Support. Yes. This is airport drip. Okay. Hold on. We're gonna have to do a montage for this, right? Oh.
Check it. Ooh.
Oh.
Let's see your drip. What you working on, girl?
Okay.
Alright, you got the fly knits.
Okay. Okay.
Body on.
I just want to eat, drink, sleep, swim. You know? But yeah, this is our room, guys. Hello. Welcome.
What?
Welcome to our suite. So we are staying at the ROYALTON Cancun Riviera, which is a larger version of the ROYALTON. There's 2 ROYALTONs Cancun, and this one that we got is the junior luxury suite with the swim out pool. So here, as you can see, it has this beautiful jacuzzi, and it's just so beautiful. I'm so in love with this room, which is the main reason why we're staying here. Then we have this big mirror over here that has a his and her sink, which I think is so dope because I need all the space to get ready. If you come right here, you can see they have a shower, and the shower is gorgeous. The shower has waterfall head showers, and it has a seated platform right there where you can sit down, which is really nice. Yeah, so now moving into the master bedroom, we have the bedroom, which is beautiful. It's just nice. They gave us complimentary champagne, which we're about to pop, baby, because it's about to get lit. But yeah, so now we're gonna come to the excitement of it all, which is our luxury swim out pool. That wasn't as smooth as I would like it to be. This one's kind of going down. But here we have our swim out pool, and as you come out, you can see we have an overview of the entire resort. It's beautiful. Like, we can take all the dope pics here, and this one is just gorgeous. Like, hello, we're gonna be out here 24/7, baby. You guys are getting lit.